Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, electronic stability control, fog lamps, power windows. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.